Finishing varnishes are the varnishes we use to coat completed dried works. Varnishes come in liquid form, in aerosol, as well as in matte, glossy, satin, and crystal finishes. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Aerosol varnish is a convenient and comfortable format for coating. We typically spray from a distance of approximately 20 to 25 centimeters away from the surface, ensuring a consistent and even application. We then simply proceed to thoroughly cover our entire work area with the spray, just like this, to achieve the desired effect and finish. The advantage is that it's comfortable to use. The downside is that the coverage isn't as dense as, for example, with liquid varnish applied with a brush. Aerosol varnishes come in matte, satin, and glossy finishes. Keep in mind that matte varnish won't give you a completely matte finish. There will still be a slight sheen. In this case, satin means a semi-gloss varnish. Glossy varnish provides a good, fully glossy finish. Pay attention to what is written on your spray can. If you are working with oil paints, it must say for oil colors, which means for oil painting. If you use a water-based varnish meant for acrylics, it can leave streaks on your oil paintings.